Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you are new. If you're new, hello. My name is Kay. I'm a professional home organizer and I love all things home. And today we're gonna do a little clean and organize with me, like clean reset, because I happen to be alone this weekend. My husband has left for the weekend to visit some friends. So I am here hanging out and my house is a disaster. Clover's also here with me. We are having a mommy and baby weekend together. Yes, hello. But my house is in a state of disorder. I had McDonald's, do not judge, but I want to get it cleaned up so that I can enjoy a nice clean house over the weekend by myself. So let's start by tidying up this kitchen. Holy Toledo. I also got some groceries and I put the cold ones away but left the ones there because I was doing something else. So let's get started. I'm gonna put on a good podcast and we're gonna go. So if you have a messy house and you wanna organize it, do a little tidy up, use this for motivation. Here we go.
As an only child, I actually really enjoy my alone time. I chose this opportunity since I was going to be alone all weekend to actually get a lot of work done. I doubled down on my workload for the weekend while everyone was out doing holiday things. I was filming, editing, streaming. I was doing all kinds of work things and I actually was in my element and I didn't mind. I really actually I enjoy my alone time. So me and Clover were just hanging out for the weekend and I took the opportunity to take out the trash and just tidy up. I had made a huge mess in the house prior to making this video. I just was very busy cleaning my car, doing all kinds of projects for clients. I was doing some stuff downstairs. So I had made a very big mess and I enjoyed the process of cleaning it all up and just getting everything nice and clean. The groceries had been delivered that day and I put all of the non-refrigerated things away, but I was still working. So I just waited to put away all of the canned goods and the sauces. And I absolutely love this pantry. I love it so much. It is so much fun that it's on the stairs and I actually have so much more space than I used to. I can buy cans of beans and other things in bulk, and I really appreciate that. I go shopping a lot less often, and I love having a back stock of items. It just makes me feel so prepared for anything. So here I am kind of balancing where to put the almond milks. I love those little tiny packages of almond milk. They're so fun. Anyway, this is very satisfying because I hadn't moved the trash can in forever and I discovered there was so much dirt and crumbs behind it and it always feels really good to get in that hidden dirt where you just haven't seen for weeks or months and all of a sudden you move a piece of furniture and wow, there's dirt there. I also took this opportunity to clean behind the trash can, well, the rear of the trash can. That is a place that usually gets neglected. I know that I clean the side of my trash can when I usually take out the trash, but I don't usually end up cleaning the back of the trash can because often it doesn't get moved when I take the trash out. But today when I moved the trash can, I noticed the back, it looked rough. So I took some cleaner to it. I have been loving the method scents that came out for spring, the daisy and the rose. They are so good. I often just want to clean because I want to smell the scent of the daisy cleaner. That's kind of bananas, but I love it. I think it's so fun. So getting all of this clutter off of the counter was so satisfying. And this entire weekend when I was alone, after I cleaned the clutter off the counter, no clutter appeared again. Ever, even when I cooked. So cleaning out the dishwasher is one of my least favorite things to do. Well, emptying the dishwasher, not cleaning it out, but emptying the dishwasher is one of my least favorite things to do. I don't know why. Well, I think I just hate doing the dishes in any form. I hate washing the dishes in the sink. I hate loading the dishwasher. I hate putting the dishes away after the dishes are clean. Hate it all. Maybe I just hate handling dishes. Maybe that's the thing, but I feel like there's always one chore that everyone hates doing that like somebody else loves doing. Like I love to to vacuum. I think it's so much fun to vacuum stuff because you can see the dirt just lift off of the carpet and off of the floor. I think it's so satisfying, but doing the dishes, can't be bothered. I even have to do Clover's dishes. See, I do his dishes too. Maybe I hate the dishes because I feel like it's never ending. You know, you're always eating, right? So I feel like there's always dishes to be done and it never ends. So I feel like it's an interminable chore. Well, I guess none of the chores ever end, do they? Maybe I'm having some pandemic kitchen fatigue, but anyway, that's how I feel. Even before the panini, I did not enjoy doing the dishes, but I do enjoy cleaning counters. When I was little, my mom would obsessively wipe down counters just like I'm doing right now. And I used to think that she was absolutely like bananas. My father was always like, what, your mom is just like wiping down the counters for like 10 minutes after dinner. And I always thought she was just bananas. And here I am doing the same exact thing, like wiping the same area I wiped less than 10 seconds ago, just wiping them down. So I guess I have her to blame for that. I get it honestly, but it is strangely satisfying just wiping the counter, just feeling the smoothness of it all and just feeling the germs go away. I don't know. It's just so nice. So gosh, I'm doing it a long time, aren't I? Look at me just wiping stuff down. I'm really having a good time, huh? What is wrong? Keep wiping. She's wiping again. She's doing more wiping. What is going on with Lil K there? Okay, I think she's done. Wiping. Oh, good. She's done. Was you going to put in the cleaner away too? Look at me. Nice, clean kitchen. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Clean sink. Well, the dog's not clean, but he was watching me and cheering me on from the sidelines. Now we have the entryway. A mess. What had happened here? I don't know. We got stuff everywhere. It's just bananas. So I had to pick up the entryway as well. A lot of dog stuff appears in the entryway. Again, I was cleaning up my car. I took some shopping bags out of my car. Fun fact, I have shopping bags in my car, but they don't all live there. Some of them live in the front hall closet. So I was just taking some from my car and putting them in the closet. And I was also picking up toys. I pick up dog toys all the time. They're everywhere. They end up in strange places under furniture. And I often don't find out they're under furniture until I hear Clover barking at them and wanting me to rescue it from underneath of furniture. It's just wacky. Anyway, now that I had picked up everything, and you have to pick up everything before you start the Roomba, I was going to start the Roomba. Her name is Rosie. After Rosie from the Jetsons. I love this. It's an S7, I think is the model, and it's brilliant. It empties itself. It's so worth the money because, like, who wants to empty the dustbin on the Roomba? Did I say Roomba? On the Roomba. Not me. So the Roomba doesn't go in our bedroom because we have a shag carpet in our bedroom. And this is our master bathroom. So this I have to do with my Dyson, and I have to manual mop and manual vacuum, but I don't mind. There's also did I say there was a shag carpet? Yeah, the shag carpet in my bedroom. We're going to remove it, but that's why the Roomba doesn't go in there. Anyway, cleaning the toilet. You don't need to see me clean the toilet. So thank goodness I have blocked the toilet with the counter, but I do get a lot of satisfaction, even though it's disgusting, out of cleaning the toilet, because the toilet is so gross that when you clean it, it's so clean afterward, you cannot help but be satisfied. So I'm cleaning my husband's sink and I discover that it is slow drain. And the worst part about cleaning the drain is what is clogging the sink. And I will not exaggerate when I tell you it was the most disgusting thing I did that day. So gross. I hate doing this because, first of all, whatever you pull out is like has developed over time, right? It's black, it's disgusting, and the worst part about it, it smells so bad. But anyway, we solved it with my tools. Anyway, we have solved the problem, and now we're wiping the sink again. We're wiping the counters again. Let's see if I wipe them again. If I do, I'm gonna laugh at myself. Just squeeze out. Let's wipe the counters. Wiping the counters. Do I wipe the same ones? Yes, I wipe the same ones over again. Anyway, method, squirt and mop cleaner, love it. Makes me feel like I'm gonna like grill something, like putting like lighter fluid on the grill. No, just washing the floors. Here is the Maker's Clean Mop. One of the best mops ever. I am pimping Melissa Maker's products in like 2 videos now. Well, more than that, but like this mop is the best mop on the market. Not sponsored, just the truth. It has like 2 sides. So like one side can be your mop side and then you flip it over. That's the dry side. It's so good. It's so good. And it swivels and it gets in like little tight areas. Watch me. Watch this. See? Is that not brilliant? You'll love to see it. By the way, that method cleaner it smells like spearmint. It smells so good. It smells so good. I love that stuff. I've been using it for, gosh, maybe like 8 years. It's the best. I make special trips to go get it. So it's my favorite cleaner. I left a cup of coffee in there from that morning. Shame on me, because sometimes I play Animal Crossing in bed. Don't come for me. It's my morning routine. Anyway, I'm making the bed. There's nothing more satisfying than making the bed and then getting in a freshly made bed. I love that. I love that feeling. Making the bed, pretty simple for me. And it's also time to take control of the mess in my closet. My closet's also my vanity, which has been working a lot. So I also had some clothes from the dryer that I had not put away. I'm doing all the things. All the things. So here I am putting away all of the mess in my vanity closet. It's a mess. Swiffer time, yeah. I find that microfiber is good at dusting at first and then it's not as satisfying. I'm trying to find something that's as good as the Swiffer but more reusable. But when it comes down to brass tacks, the Swiffer is just pretty good. If somebody can recommend something to me, a microfiber product or something that's as good as dusting as Swiffer, please let me know, because Swiffer does such a good job of like just trapping dust. It's reusable to a point, but then you have to throw it away eventually. So let me know, or let me know if there's a way I can recycle the Swiffer. I don't know, but it's very good at what it does. It gets rid of dust and it just traps it inside of its little Swiffer feathers, and it's the best. I love it. And it's not, there's nothing more satisfying. Well, I'll keep saying that. But dusting is incredibly satisfying, because especially if you can really see dust, you can like really see what a good job you're doing. I think those are the good chores. And look at Clover, just watching with fascination, like, what you doing? Can I help? No? Okay, I'll just watch. Here I am dusting this shelf that the previous owners actually left for us when we bought the house. I don't know if I'm going to keep it there. Actually, that's a lie. I am going to get rid of it eventually and replace it with a console, because that's where all of our television like hardware is, like our Apple TV, our internet box and all that stuff, and I don't want to look at it. So there's these cute little skinny consoles that I'm looking at from West Elm, and eventually I'm going to buy one, pop it there. It's going to look really cute. I don't like that shelf thing. Going to replace it. Anyway, my office was also a hot mess. I have been, again, grinding hard this last week, so the office took a beating, but I just wanted to clean up a little bit. I wanted to clean up my desk. I got a water bottle there. I got all kinds of nonsense. I got food. It was just a hot mess. As you can see, it's also my plant room. I'm a plant mom, so, you know, it's necessary. And it looks so much better after I was done. Clover is just staring me down. Look how creepy he is. Anyway, the desk got so, I love how satisfyingly clean my desk gets. It's so good. And I have this big old peace lily. She's living her best life. Bathroom, second bathroom. This is the bathroom that's next to my office, so it gets quite a bit of use. So I clean this one more often. It's just a little tinier. And fun fact, we have 3 full baths. No one needs that. We don't have any children. It's just the 2 of us. But we have 3 full baths. I'm not complaining, but that just seems excessive. But we enjoy it, you know. And Rosie was just in there doing a good job vacuuming in there. So I had to wait to actually do the mopping job. She's very busy. I appreciate her. So I wanted to give her space. So instead, I wanted to take a stab at the one annoying thing that I had noticed for the last couple of days. And that is Clover's paw marks on this closet door. Now, after dinner, after he eats, he paws at this door because he knows there's toys inside, and he also barks until we give him a toy from in there. We do it because we're suckers, and hence it gets dirty. So you saw me cleaning that. It comes off. So, you know, we're not perfect dog parents, okay? We just, you know. Anyway, I finally got around to mopping this again with my lighter fluid cleaner. It's not lighter fluid. It's spray and mop, but it just the action makes me feel like I'm gonna grill, you know, like I'm gonna pop some chicken or some shrimp on the Barbie, right? Anyway, again, satisfying mopping, nice and clean, minty smell. You love to see it. Clean bathroom. Oh my goodness. Oh, fun fact also, I'm going to redo this bathroom. I don't like the wallpaper in there, but you know, that's for another video. The last thing I wanted to do was to take control of the couch area. Oh, by the way, we're starting some seeds inside. You can see back there's a huge grow light and there's some little sprouts under there. Very, very excited to have our summer garden action. I'm growing some herbs, some peppers, some tomato, and a couple of cucumbers and fun things. Can't wait. Very excited. So that is Clover's favorite blanket. As you can see, he goes up there, he takes control. That is his throne. That is where he controls the universe from. All the buttons are underneath. You can't see. There he is. He is the king. Vacuuming the couch was probably one of the last things I did this day. I just wanted to get the initial dog dirt off of the sofa. I know a lot of people don't let their dogs on the furniture, but we, you know, I mean, YOLO. I love Clover. I want to cuddle with him on every surface in my house, and I just clean it up, you know? So we have a clean house. We are preparing to paint our bedroom, so there's paint swatches on the wall, but I enjoyed having a clean house this weekend while I put my head down and sunk into my work. It was so satisfying. I hope you enjoyed this cleaning motivation.
Are you ready for dinner? You want to eat some dinner? Come on, let's eat. It's dinner time. Let's go. Are you excited to eat? Yeah? Let's do this. Let's do this dinner time thing. All right, let's go, Clover. Let's go, Clover dog. Spin, spin, spin for food. Spin for food. Here you go. All right, I have been cleaning for 2 hours straight, and I think I've pretty much got the whole upper level taken care of. I'm ready for a weekend relaxing by myself. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope it inspired you to pick up your house too. And if it didn't, then I hope you just enjoyed me tidying and chatting with you. All right, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.